Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Information Wall. In this video, I am going to tell you an inspirational true life story. There was a small village in Nyasaland of African continent. In October 1958, Lexan Kaira has approximately 16 or 17 years of age. His dream was to become like his childhood heroes Abraham Lincoln and Booker T. Washington. To achieve his dream, he decided to go to America for higher studies. But Lexan doesn't know the way to go to America, and he doesn't even know the distance between his native place and America. Without knowing all this, he started his journey with food for 5 days, a Bible, axe, blanket, and a book named Pilgrim's Progress. First, he has to reach Cairo, Egypt, which was 300 miles away. In 5 days, he traveled a mere 25 miles of distance. Food that he took with him completed. He thought of going back to home, but his determined mind doesn't allow him. While traveling, he faced many health issues. His body became weak, but with the help of some fellow travelers, he was recovered and continued journey. On January 19, 1960, after 15 months, he reached Uganda's capital city, Kampala. There he spent 6 months. At that time, he spent most of his time in library. Winners never forget their goal. They always focus on their dream. In the same way, Lexan started searching for the details of American colleges in library. In that list, one college is Skagit Valley College. He written a letter to the dean of the college explaining his situation. After some days, he got a reply from a dean that offers a seat in the college, scholarship, and a temporary job to earn some money for living. As he doesn't know the exact date of birth, it was difficult for him to get passport. With the help of missionary schools where he studied, he got passport. But he does not have money to get visa. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to give up. In the same way, by knowing the situation of Lexan, the students of Skagit Valley College collected some donations and sent him $650. After receiving money, he was unable to control tears and bent down on knees to pay his gratitude. In December 1960, after 2 years of perilous journey, Lexan reached Skagit Valley College and students gave a warm welcome to him. After some years of study, Lexan became a professor in Oxford University and a well-known author. Some people never start their journey because of their fear. Some people stops in the middle because of the hurdles in the path. There are some people like Lexan Kaira who always focused. Although they face so many problems, hurdles and setbacks, they never stop their journey and reach their goal. I hope this story inspires you in your life to reach your goal.